The Rich Company property video is presented by Lydie Jennings. Prepare to be awed by the open floor plan and ceilings that soar to 9 feet high. The heart of the home is the main living area, featuring a cozy gas fireplace embraced by a stone surround and complemented by built-in cabinets and shelving. Glide across the bamboo wood flooring that stretches throughout and even extending into the spacious master bedroom that features a tray ceiling. Prepared to be pampered in the master bathroom, boasting luxurious tile work and an oversized walk-in shower. And don't forget the expansive walk-in closet. Calling all chefs. The gourmet kitchen awaits with gleaming stainless steel appliances, including a top-of-the-line Wolf brand cooktop and double ovens. Custom cabinets offer plenty of storage, while a countertop bar invites guests to gather round for culinary delights. Upstairs, discover an office, full bath and 2 bedrooms, each offering comfort and privacy. Need more space? 3 walk-in floored attic areas stand ready to accommodate all your storage needs. But the surprises don't stop there. In the 2-car garage, a versatile space awaits, ready to transform into your dream man cave, workshop, or game area. And let's not forget about the front porch, adorned with a handrail and steps crafted from durable Trex material, ensuring both style and durability. Step outside to enjoy the fresh air on the 12 by 26 covered screened patio or the uncovered deck, both constructed with Trex material for low maintenance and long-lasting enjoyment. But wait, there's more. An elevator shaft awaits installation. And underneath the house, a large enclosed space perfect for storing outdoor equipment. Situated just 4 miles east of Washington, this one-of-a-kind home is on 1.13-acre lot, enveloped by mature trees offering privacy and shade. Sellers have installed new air conditioner unit, microwave, refrigerator and wine fridge. Note, during large storms, water has gotten into the garage. Seller does not carry flood insurance, but it is in flood zone. For more information, review the details below or contact Lydie Jennings at 252-943-8184.